Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, I'm excited to show you my Cozy Student Planner, a Notion template designed to help students stay organized, productive, and inspired throughout their academic journey. Whether you're in school, college, or university, this planner gives you one cozy workspace to manage your courses, assignments, notes, documents, finances, and much more. So, let's take a look at everything that's included. This is the Cozy Student Planner, and this is the main dashboard where everything comes together. At the top, you'll find a quick Getting Started section that includes a welcome message and a simple guide to help new users set up the template. Right below that is the course database. Here you can create a dedicated page for every subject you're studying, making it easy to keep your academic workspace organized throughout the semester. On the left side, you'll find a clean navigation menu for quickly moving between every section of the planner, along with a must-remember checklist for important reminders. On the right, there are a few productivity widgets including a digital clock, a music player, your top 3 priorities, and a quick notes section for capturing ideas or reminders throughout the day. As we scroll down, you'll see the class schedule database where you can organize your weekly classes with subjects, teachers, timings, dates, and sections. Below that is the weekly to-do list, separated into each day of the week, making it easy to plan your tasks and build a consistent study routine. Finally, we have a cozy vision board, where you can add inspiring images and motivational captions to keep your goals in sight every time you open the planner. Next, we have the school page, which is designed to keep your academic life organized. At the top is a monthly to-do list, where you can plan goals and priorities for each month instead of managing everything at once. On the left, you'll also find a Things I Wanna Do checklist along with a currently reading section to keep track of books or study material you're working through. Moving down, we have the Important Assignments database. This helps you keep track of projects, homework, and deadlines so nothing gets missed. Below that is the Important Events section, where you can organize exams, school activities, presentations, meetings, or any upcoming events throughout the semester. Together, these sections create a simple academic hub that helps you stay prepared without feeling overwhelmed. The next page is the Document Workspace. This page is designed to keep all your important study resources in one place. At the top is the Daily Affirmations Gallery, filled with positive reminders to help you stay motivated before every study session. Below that is the Documents and Links section, where you can embed PDFs, Google Docs, Google Maps, Spotify playlists, useful websites, or any online resources you use regularly. You'll also find an Important Notes section for writing down reminders, announcements, or anything you don't want to forget. On the left side, there's another quick remember checklist for daily habits and study reminders, while the mood board at the bottom keeps the overall workspace warm and inspiring. Next is the Finance Tracker, created especially for students who want to build better financial habits. At the top, you'll find 3 quick planning sections: Daily To-Do, Target Income, and Finance Goals, helping you stay focused on both your daily tasks and long-term financial objectives. Below that is the Income Tracker, where you can record earnings from scholarships, freelance work, allowances, part-time jobs, or any other source of income. Right underneath is the Expense Tracker, allowing you to monitor where your money is being spent and better understand your spending habits. The final database is the Savings Tracker, helping you track your progress toward your savings goals over time. Throughout the page, you'll also notice motivational illustrations and quotes that make the finance page feel encouraging instead of intimidating. Finally, we have the About Me page, where you can personalize the planner and make it truly your own. At the top is your personal profile, where you can add basic information about yourself along with links to your online shop or social profiles. Below that, you can list your hobbies, favorite books, and favorite songs, turning this planner into a workspace that reflects your personality. On the right side, there are dedicated sections for embedding your favorite YouTube videos and study playlists, making it easy to keep all your favorite content just one click away. Along the left sidebar, you'll also find your yearly goals and a remember checklist to keep yourself motivated throughout the year. And at the bottom, another cozy mood board ties everything together with warm cafe-inspired visuals that make the planner feel calm, aesthetic, and enjoyable to use every day. And that's a complete walkthrough of the Cozy Student Planner. My goal with this template was to create a workspace that's not only organized, but also enjoyable to come back to every single day. Whether you're managing classes, assignments, notes, finances, or personal goals, everything has its own dedicated place while maintaining a clean and cozy cafe-inspired design. If you enjoyed this template and would like to use it yourself, you can grab it through the link in my bio or the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.